Hey Smart Shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we put products head-to-head so you don't end up buying a toaster when you wanted a drone. Today, we've got a high-flying showdown between two aerial titans, the LMRC-12 drone and the Gloral drone with 4K Camera RC Quadcopter. Let's start with the first thing that makes your wallet cry: the price. On the left, we have the LMRC-12 coming in at a budget-friendly $79. Meanwhile, the Gloral drone is flexing its 4K muscles at a whopping $179. That's right, folks. For the price of one Gloral, you could buy two LMRC-12s and still have enough change left over to grab a burger. If you're looking to save some bucks, the LMRC-12 is already flying high. The LMRC-12 rocks a 1080 PhD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's perfect if you're capturing your kid's soccer game or spying on your neighbor's barbecue. But the Gloral drone takes it up a notch, or 10, with a 4K camera and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like comparing a flip phone camera to a Hollywood film crew. If you're serious about aerial photography, Gloral is the way to go. Just make sure you have a computer that can handle those massive 4K files. The LMRC-12 offers a respectable 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. It's perfect for a quick spin around the park or some casual drone racing in your backyard. But Gloral is here to marathon with a whopping 46 minutes of flight time. That's enough to film an entire mini-documentary, twice. If you plan on staying airborne longer than a commercial flight, Gloral's got you covered. The LMRC-12 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's got headless mode, one key start landing, hand gesture photo/video, and altitude hold. Even your grandma could fly this thing without crashing it into the neighbor's cat. The Gloral, on the other hand, is the tech geek's dream. It comes with GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. It's basically a flying assistant director. It even has obstacle avoidance, so it's less likely to end up in a tree. If you're looking for a drone that's smarter than your average teenager, Gloral wins this round. The LMRC-12 is compact and easy to carry, perfect for those spontaneous weekend getaways. Just toss it in your backpack and you're good to go. But Gloral takes portability to the next level with its foldable arms and lightweight design. It's like the yoga master of drones, flexible and easy to pack. If you're a travel junkie, Gloral's design will make you feel like you're carrying a feather. Reviewers have a lot to say about both drones. The LMRC-12 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and decent camera quality, making it a great option for beginners. However, some users reported issues with the app and the case not being secure enough. On the other hand, the Gloral drone receives high marks for its stability, impressive 4K camera, and advanced features. It's considered a reliable choice for both amateurs and professionals in aerial photography, although it comes with a higher price tag. So there you have it, Smart Shoppers. The LMRC-12 is your wallet-friendly, easy-to-use, compact buddy, while the Gloral drone is your high-tech, 4K powerhouse with marathon flight time. Which one is right for you? Well, that depends on whether you want to save some cash or shoot the next blockbuster aerial film. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another epic showdown. And drop a comment below. Are you Team LMRC-12 or Team Gloral? Until next time, stay smart and happy flying. Product links are in the description.